Dear students, welcome to Study and Learn Academy. I am Dr. Ganapat Nagda, and today we will start a new topic of class 12th, biotechnology principles and processes. So, what is biotechnology? Biotechnology refers to the technology using biology which has applications in agriculture, food processing industry, medicine diagnostics, bioremediation, waste treatment, and energy production. Biotechnology deals with the techniques of using live organisms or enzymes from organisms to make products and processes that benefit human beings. The definition given by European Federation of Biotechnology EFB is as follows: the integration of natural science and organism, cells, parts thereof, and molecular analogues for products and services. Now, the principles of biotechnology. First, genetic engineering. Introduction of foreign genetic material like DNA oblique RNA into the host genome and altering its phenotype. And second, aseptic techniques. Maintenance of a sterile atmosphere to enable growth of only the desired cell in large quantities for the manufacture of products like antibiotics, vaccine, enzyme, etc. Now the techniques of genetic engineering. So we can divide into three parts. First, creation of recombination DNA. Second, gene transfer into host organism. Third, gene cloning. Creation of recombination DNA. Stanley Cohen and Herbert Boyer in 1972 constructed the first recombination DNA. They isolated the antibiotic resistance gene from the plasmid of the bacterium Salmonella typhimurium. This piece of DNA carrying antibiotic resistance gene was cut at a specific location by restriction endonuclease, popularly known as molecular scissors. Gene transfer. The cut piece of DNA was introduced in the plasmid of Escherichia coli, which acted as the vector. The piece of DNA was ligated to the vector plasmid by DNA ligase. This joining of the two DNA pieces resulted in the creation of recombinant DNA. Now the gene cloning. The new recombinant DNA was transferred into E. coli. The rDNA replicated autonomously by using the host DNA polymerase enzyme and made multiple copies. The ability to multiply copies of any template of DNA is called gene cloning. Now the tools of recombinant DNA technology. What are the different tools used in a recombinant DNA technology? First one is restriction enzymes. Second, cloning vector. Third, DNA polymerase enzyme. Fourth, DNA ligase enzyme. And host organism. So you can see in this particular slide the restriction enzymes as biological scissors. Restriction enzymes belong to a class of enzymes called nucleases. These are of two types, exonucleases and endonucleases. Exonucleases cut the DNA at the ends. Endonucleases make cuts at a specific point in the DNA. Restriction enzymes. The first restriction enzymes endonuclease isolated from the second. It was isolated from the bacterium Haemophilus influenza. Today we know more than 900 restriction enzymes isolated from 230 strains of bacteria. Recognition sequence. Restriction enzymes always cut DNA molecules at a particular point by recognizing a specific sequence of base pairs. This specific base sequence is known as recognition sequence. Example, EcoRI recognizes only the following sequence: 5 days GAATTC 3 days and 3 days CTTAAG 5 days. Restriction enzymes, how do you denote them? Names use 3-letter italicized code. First letter genus, second and third species. Following letter denotes strain. EcoRI was the first restriction enzyme found in the R strain of E. coli. Palindromic sequence. Palindromes are those group of letters which read the same, both forward and backward. Example, Malayalam. A palindromic sequence is a sequence which reads the same on the two strands of DNA when orientation is kept the same. 5 days GAATTC 3 days, 3 days CTTAAG 5 days. Cutting and pasting restriction enzymes as molecular seizures. Restriction enzymes, 3 types: types 1, 2 and 3. Type 2 used for molecular biology work, endonucleases. Recognize a specific sequence of base pairs, usually 4, 6 or 8 bases that are palindromic. Can leave sticky ends or blunt ends. About sticky and blunt ends. 5 dash ATGC, GAATTC, CGG88 3 dash, 3 dash TACG, CTTAAG, CCTT 5 dash. So sticky end, EcoRI. Then you can say how that cut from 5 days ATGCG 3 days, and another part will be AATTC CG GA 3 days. Now the blunt ends, you can see how they cut. Restriction enzyme actions on EcoRI. What do restriction enzymes help us achieve? You can see in this particular slide. They help in generating DNA fragments with precise ends. These precisely generated ends can then be pasted to similar ends in a vector molecule that is self-replicating. The process of pasting is called ligation and requires a DNA ligase. The product after ligation is called a recombinant DNA molecule or a clone. Each clone can be replicated to provide ample material for study. What are cloning vectors? Cloning vectors is a DNA molecule that carries foreign DNA into a host cell, replicates inside a bacterial or yeast cell, and produces many copies of itself and the foreign DNA. Features of cloning vectors, types of cloning vectors, general steps of cloning any vector. Now the first, features of cloning vectors. Origin of replication. A sequence from where replication starts. Second, selectable marker. A method of selecting for bacteria containing a vector with foreign DNA permits the growth of transformants and eliminate the non-transformants, usually accomplished by genes encoding resistant to antibiotics such as ampicillin, chloramphenicol, tetracycline, or kanamycin. Cloning site to insert foreign DNA. The most versatile vectors contain a site that can be cut by many restrictions. In this particular slide or in diagram, you can see it shows a typical plasmid vector. It contains a polylinker which can recognize several different restriction enzymes. An ampicillin resistance gene AMPR for selective amplification and a replication origin ORI for proliferation in the host cell. Plasmids or bacteriophages are used as vectors. If we are able to link an alien DNA with bacteriophage or plasmid DNA, we can multiply its number equal to the copy number of the plasmid or bacteriophage. Vectors. DNA molecules capable of accepting a foreign new DNA fragment. Most common are plasmids, but could be other types also. They are self-replicating because they have an origin of replication ORI. Plasmids are circular, double-stranded, extra chromosomal pieces of DNA. Plasmids carry antibiotic resistance genes and a reason to clone the new DNA called the multiple cloning site. Plasmid. A plasmid is an independent circular self-replicating DNA molecule that carries only a few genes. So you can see, so there are various restriction enzyme sites, and that green part is selectable marker, and this is ORI. So you can see the bacterial DNA and plasmids. So cell replication, cell divides into two, replicates into two, and you can see plasmid integration in this particular diagram, and then cell replication is there. Vectors for cloning genes in plants. Agrobacterium tumefaciens can cause the plant disease crown gall by transferring specific genes to the dicot plant. Agrobacterium tumefaciens contains a large plasmid called capital TI plasmid which can deliver tDNA to transform normal cell into a tumor and direct these tumor cells to produce the desired chemicals. Plant genetic engineers have used these natural transformation system as a vehicle for the introduction of foreign DNA into plants. So what is Agrobacterium? A natural genetic engineer. Agrobacterium tumefaciens is a soil bacteria that causes common plant tumors, commonly known as crown gall disease, which affects a wide variety of plants. The genome of Agrobacterium tumefaciens C58 has been sequenced completely and consists of a circular chromosome, a linear chromosome, and two plasmids. A tumefaciens gall is not a tiny things. You can see in these pictures the TI plasmid. This is the picture of the capital TI plasmid. In this particular slide, you can say during infection, the TI plasmid is integrated into the plant chromosomal DNA. So how TI plasmid is integrated to the plant chromosomal DNA? So these pictures showing the processes. So this is